I just picked up a new ring light. I got this expensive one from before, but now I bought a new one and it's not expensive at all. So I'm not sure if it's good. This is how it looks like. I haven't unboxed it, but I opened the box. It's a ring light from Xqisit. Bluetooth, shutter release, all the functions. And it also got different colors. So I'm gonna see how this works. If it's any better than the other ones. And let's just turn up the light on this one. There we go. So let's see what's inside. It's, as I said, I just opened it up partly, so, and I put on an extension on this one just to, because it wasn't in there. This is nice. The one I have on here just probably costs more than this. So it's this extension, so you can just turn your camera or phone or whatever on this. It's mounted in here with this normal screw. Yep. Just this one and the shutter release on this one is actually just the value of those two are more than just this ring light, so that's cool. So I'm gonna put this something like that, and there we go. You can put your phone in here. There we go. Hey, take this off. So with this one you can have the tripod and you can just connect this one directly to the camera, or you can connect, as I'm going to do right now, connect the whole thing to this thing. So we have the ring light on it. There we go. I'm kinda into buying shit I don't always need. So this is not my first ring light. Something like this. And this here, we can extend it, I think, pretty far. Yeah. Damn. Hey, this is nice and cheap. Even, ooh, this is like really tall. I'll show you. I can have it at, what can this be? 170 perhaps. I'm 183 something. So that means that's pretty tall. Alright, so let's put it into the extension cord and see how that works. Maybe we get some better lighting here. So now that I have this one on, maybe I can just do this halo effect. Going up, go up, 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 up. Oh, do I have enough light now to make a good YouTube video? Hopefully the answer is yes. Now we just need good content. So today has been unboxing of the Xqisit ring light. It's cheap, but it looks like it works. They got different functions, so I can turn light white and whiter and brownish. I will turn it off and on, of course, and adjust the intensity. So was it worth it? $25? I'd say yeah. This was a really quick unboxing video for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. So what would you think would be the biggest difference between an expensive one and this cheap one? I'm not sure. I'm gonna test it out. And yeah, leave a like and a comment and subscribe for more.